Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is a cube plus b cube equals 99, a plus b equals 9. You have to find the value of a minus b. So we will solve this question in a very easy and simple way. So first of all, we will recall the formula of a cube plus b cube, that equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will substitute the values in this. A cube plus b cube equals 99 and a plus b equals 9 into a square minus ab plus b square. Now 9 is multiplied here, it will be divided to this side. So 99 by 9, that equals a square minus ab plus b square. So when 99 is divided by 9, we will get 11, that equals a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will solve this further, as we know the formula of a plus b whole square, that equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will write the formula of a square plus b square, that equals a plus b whole square. This is plus, it will become minus 2ab. Now in the next step, we will write this as 11, that equals, in place of a square plus b square, we will write a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this was minus ab. So 11 equals a plus b whole square means 9 square minus 3 of ab, because minus 2 and minus 1 will become minus 3. Now 3ab equals 81 minus 11, that equals 70. So the value of AB will be 70 by 3. Now in the next step, this is the value of AB. We will substitute the value of AB in this equation. So we get a square plus b square equals 11 plus AB. That means we get 11 plus 70 by 3. Now by taking the LCM, we get 33 plus 70. That means we get the value of this will be 103 by 3. Now we will use these values and find the value of a minus b whole square. Now we will apply the values in this formula. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now substitute values. A square plus b square is 103 by 3 minus 2 into ab will be 70 by 3. Now we get 103 by 3 minus 140 by 3. Now subtract this. 103 minus 140, we will get equals minus 37 by 3. Now this is the value of a minus b whole square, minus 37 by 3. Now taking the root on both sides, because in the question we have to find the value of just a minus b. So a minus b equals plus minus root of minus 37 by root of minus 3. Now minus 1 will equals iota, so plus minus iota root of 37 and divided by 3. Now we will rationalize this. So iota 37 by root 3 is multiplied and divided by root 3. So this will become plus minus Root of 37 multiplied by 3 is 111 by 3. So this is the answer for A minus B. So we will write the final answer here, that is plus minus root of 111 by 3. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Take care.